Okay, so this video is going to show you how to make your welcome banner and your buttons to add to Schoology. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come in PowerPoint and you're going to change the actual sizing of the slide. You're going to go to File, Page Setup, and you're going to want to change it to 980 px, which is pixels, and it'll automatically change it to inches as you see by 200 pixels. And then you'll hit OK. And then it'll automatically change your slide into this size. So that's the first thing you need to do, 980 by 200 pixels. Next, you're going to make your welcome banner. So I just did it obviously on the first slide. Ignore all of these other ones. These are just options that I had for my team. I use special fonts that I downloaded from Teachers Pay Teachers, but again, you don't have to do anything fancy. So that's the first thing you're going to do. And then the next thing you're going to do is create your buttons. I just created circles and then put labels on them. So that is the next step you want to do. And you want to do them on separate slides. They'll all come together eventually. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to save your welcome banner and we're going to save your buttons. So the first thing you want to do is click on your welcome banner. So you can see that it's highlighted in orange. So I clicked on it. We're going to go to File at the top, Export. You can save it wherever. I just have it in my downloads. Instead of a PDF format, we want to change it to a PNG. And then right here, we want to make sure that Save Current Slide Only is checked, and then go ahead and hit Export. And then we're going to go ahead and save our buttons, but we're going to do these individually. We're going to do them a little bit different. So you're going to go ahead and click on your button and click on everything that's in it. I usually click on everything and then group them together. So go to Shape Format and Group. You can see that I already grouped them. And then after that, after you have everything clicked and grouped, you want to right-click it, Save as Picture. And again, save that to your downloads or a specific file, wherever you want to save it. You're going to do the same thing for all of your buttons. One thing that you need to make sure you do is you highlight the text. A couple of my buttons were blank, so make sure you do that. But again, all you have to do is right-click and hit Save as Picture, PNG, save it. That is the next step. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open a brand new Google Doc. We're going to go to File, Page Setup. We're going to change the orientation to landscape, and we're going to change the margins all to 1/2 inch. Once you have that, you can go ahead and hit OK, and then your document is changed. Next, we're going to insert a table. So we're going to go to Insert, Table. I have 5 buttons, so I'm going to make it 5 by 1. Okay, so now we have our table. We're going to go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and you're going to upload all of your buttons, 1 in each box. Okay, so now that you have all of your buttons in, and again, you should only have 1 button per box, you're going to go ahead and right-click your table, go to Insert Row Above, just like I did, and then you're going to select all of it. You should only have 1. I'm just showing you how to do it. Select all of your little rows, and then you're going to merge cells so that you have 1 big bar. I'm going to delete that so that you don't get confused. So you should only have 1 big bar at the top. You're going to hit inside the bar. You're going to go to Insert, Image, and then you're going to upload your banner into the first box. Okay, so after you have your welcome banner in your top row, you're going to make sure everything is the exact size that you want it. So if your buttons are too small or maybe they're too big, this is the time to size them because once you go forward, you can't really go back. So actually, make sure you have them sized, and then you're going to go ahead and link them. So you're going to click your first button. We're going to right-click it. We're going to hit Link. And this is where you're going to paste your link from Schoology. So I have all of my buttons linked to folders. So I have a Tuesday button that's linked to the Tuesday folder. So all I did was hit my Tuesday folder. I go up to the top. I copy this link, and then I paste my link into my little link box and hit Apply, and then this button will be linked. You're going to do the same thing for all of your other buttons. Make sure that you're in the right folder. You don't want to link everything to the Tuesday folder. So that's what you're going to do now. You're not going to link the banner. You're just going to link all of your buttons. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight our entire table, and we're going to turn the border white. So go ahead and go up to the top, and you're going to hit white to make the outline white. Then while it's already highlighted, you're going to right-click and hit Copy, and we're going to paste it right into our Schoology tab. So go ahead and go to Schoology and then go to updates because you want to post it as an update. Right in the updates box, you're going to hit it, right click, paste. So you'll see that all of it is right there for you. And then down here where you have a little question blurb thing, whatever you want to call it, you're going to hit this bell button and then go ahead and hit post. So boom, it is up there ready to go for me. And you're done.